nice. Oh, we have way too much going on right now. Oh boy, hold on. We gotta close some screens here. I have a little to-do list. Nice. We are building, and while I'm building basically a whole new offer, I figure might as well show you guys behind the scenes while how basically my workflow of how to use AI tools. But because I'm going to be rebuilding the website, rebuilding the sales page anyways, so might as well. Hold on. Might as well bring you guys along for a journey. Because I'm going to be working anyways. I know some of you guys are scrolling anyways and not really finding anything. Okay, cool. Nice, nice, nice. This episode is sponsored by water. Wait for people to scroll on by. It's like people when they're scrolling, they're like zipping around. They're making a track. It's like they'll eventually come around. Because I know the algorithm's feeding you old content anyways, so. Oh, that is so good. So good. And when people see Claude, I should probably just put Claude code in, like here. There, Claude code demo. For people on YouTube, it's like that's basically they'll be scrolling by and be like Claude code demo. Ooh. Or it should be vibe coding. Vibe coding. There we go. Welcome, Larry. What's up, Larry? I'm just putting a little vibe coding sticker. Put it obnoxiously in the middle. I should probably go right about there. That's about good. Nice. Good to see everyone. Welcome. Oh, you're one of my followers, Larry. Nice. Welcome. I'm just basically going to be vibe coding my entire website right now because I'm launching a new program for the community, a 5-week program. I'll talk about that in a moment. But for context, I'm going to be rebuilding the website and using Nano Banana and using GenSpark and using Claude Code and VS Code and all of these good stuff. So why not live stream so that you guys can follow along and see my journey anyways? See my thought process, all that fun stuff along the way. I think that will be beneficial. And yeah, so that's basically what we're going to be live streaming. Cool. Vibe SEO check. I know, because it's basically like in the old days, old live streaming days, when people are scrolling and then they see this, it's going to stop a specific type of person and they're going to be like, what's going on in here? What are you vibe coding? Is that Claude? I've tried Claude. How are you using Claude? So that's pretty much what this is. Also, audio check. Hopefully make sure at least the audio is okay. If it's not good, I've had audio issues and I just want to make sure we're at least good there. Okay, cool. So let me kind of get in the zone here, because we are going to flow with some really good apps and you guys get to see me and how I build stuff. You'll see the whole workflow, which is actually kind of fun. And then you get inspired to vibe code too. By the way, while I'm talking, I'll let my Pokemon distract you. I know, already 5 minutes in and he's showing VS Code Pokemon. What the hell is he vibe coding? What is going on in here? Try yours. Larry, share it to me in the community. Also, you should be posting your success stories in the community. You got to join. That's the whole point. Join the community so that you're not vibe coding alone. Vibe code in a community. Okay, cool. Let me put this on Do Not Disturb. Sorry, there's a whole thing of like setting up an environment. Hey, I see my live stream on YouTube. That's cool. We are going to live stream all the way into the new year. Is this free training? Yes. You get to see my workflow and it's completely free and live stream online at no cost. Well, it is technically sponsored by all the 140 members in the community that support what I do. Full transparency. That's really what allows me to wake up every day and serve my community with AI tips, AI secrets, tech support, helping them get the most and make more money with AI. So it's my members, honestly, that have supported me this entire year. Like, it was literally we're coming up on anniversary. I know this is getting sidetracked, but we are coming up on an anniversary where I started December and January of this year. $30,000 in debt, 2 months behind in rent, no business or failing business, and I had to completely start over. So I started on TikTok. I started doing exactly what you're seeing here, started live streaming every single day. And from that, I got to meet 140 amazing, beautiful souls, and we all just have a passion around AI and entrepreneurship, and we love building things. So we've just been meeting every Tuesday through Friday we're going to be coming up on our 1 year anniversary. I think it's around late February is like the anniversary of the community that has just started. So long story to say, yes, free training, enjoy. What I'm basically just showing my workflow because I got to get some work done anyways. So you guys are going to see how I work anyways. What's up on the radar? Good to see you. Good to see everyone. Happy. Well, we got some NAN automation popping in and out. Good to see everyone. We're vibe coding. People are popping in like, what you building? Pokemon. No, I'm just kidding. Pokemon's just a distraction. It's just in VS Code is just so much fun. Okay. So for context, I have a new website that I am working on launching right now. And there's some things you might as well just see the whole process of how I'm vibe coding a website with Claude Code. Oh, forgive me. If I load a website, the whole thing lags for like 10 seconds. So just give that a moment. Okay, cool. Okay, so for context, well, actually not for context much, but let's see. Okay, so this is the current website. We're going to redesign this website. This is on the homepage. It's for the community, but we're going to be redesigning it using Claude Code. So we're literally going to tear it apart, honestly. And one of the biggest things is using another AI tool. We're using AI avatars. We're going to talk about that later. Also, I got to edit a Claude Code course right after this. So you guys are going to see me edit some videos real shortly. All right. So I was talking with, here we go. And I was talking with GenSpark is what I want to show. This is a whole project that we don't need right now because that's for the content. I'll just go to the super agent and grab that GenSpark conversation. Oh, it's over here. I have like 48 tabs open. Let me close some tabs here. Leave, close. Hold on, I'm gonna close some tabs. By the way, let me show you actually this image right here. That's definitely not it. Let you guys see this for a minute. Yeah. That is going to, there we go. I'm moving a lot, I'm opening a lot of tabs. So unfortunately, I'm trying to close a lot of stuff right now so that we could get some bandwidth right now because we are running low on bandwidth. I need some more RAM. Okay, so that should fix it. Okay. This is the 5-week program that we're launching inside the community where we're going to teach you over the next 5 weeks starting January 6th how to master AI agents with GenSpark. Oh, this just looks so cool because I can like zoom in, can I? Oh, that looks so, doesn't that look dope? See, these are the stuff we're going to teach you in the community, how to make dope stuff like this. So week 1, we're going to teach you how to master AI agents with GenSpark. Oh, this looks dope. Then week 2, we're going to go into vibe coding with Claude Code, showing you a lot of the stuff what I'm going to be doing today. And then week 3, we're going to go into the powerful tools like Google AI Suite and Google AI Studio offers. Amazing. Oh, there's some goodies there. Then now that you got some vibe coding skills, we're going to get you on vibe coding your own content automation so that you don't have to post content, your AI avatar. What AI avatar? This type of AI avatar. This is what we're going to create. This, just about an hour ago, is a piece of content that we created using Hey Gen. So this is my digital avatar.
Right now is the easiest time in history to learn how to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps,
tools and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and all. Everyone wants faceless avatar content. Like, how do you create an AI avatar that creates content so you don't have to get on camera? We're going to teach you how to do that and automate it with Claude Code. So that's week 4 right there for content automation, so that you're creating AI avatar content and posting and automatically, and that's all automated. And then lastly, we're going to teach you digital marketing, how to sell digital products so that you're not selling your time and you make some money online so that you could go and live your life without having to be a slave to the 9 to 5. So that's the digital marketing course. So we'll teach you how to do websites, how to collect payment, how to set up offers, pricing, digital products, all of that fun stuff so that you make money online. Because what's the point of teaching you AI if you don't monetize it? That's the whole goal. So this is a 5-week program. God damn, that image looks great. That image looks so good. Sign up for the AI community. Link is in the bio. Actually, I could put the link right here because we're in. You can sign up right there if you want to join for the program. We are going to start January 6th, this program. So I just did the outline and oops. There we go. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to basically show my workflow for updating the website, doing some of the offers, stuff like that. So I got to like promote it. So, because I'm going to send an email blast to my email list of that we're announcing this new program starting January 6th, and they would love to know about it and then go to the website and sign up. So that website doesn't exist right now. So we're going to build that in the next 30 minutes. Claude is going to do all the code and everything. We may get even into recording a VSL real quick, just quick and fast. And then actually what I really want to get into is ads as well too, because we're definitely going to funnel ads to that. And then I have a Claude code course coming out tonight that I got to finish. So lots to do. You are here to see my workflow. Welcome. Okay. Feel free to ask questions in the chat too. So I was talking with GenSpark. You need a planner GPT, or not GPT, but you need some AI tool that's your planner. One that knows the whole plan for whatever project that you're working on. Don't try and basically vibe code and try and plan inside of the coder. That's actually the worst thing that you could do. So we're going to get everything done here. Okay, sick. Okay, cool. So I had GenSpark just say, give me the text for the website. And now I'm going to give all that to Claude inside VS Code. I already voice to text a lot of the context. Paste. Okay, so Claude is now going to build me a new website, or tear apart a new one real quick, just quick, fast, and dirty, basically. So he's got some work to do, and he's just going to be working in the background, basically. I mean, if you're really bored, you could just hang out with the Pokemon, which is always fun. Oh, Claude needs me. Yes, Claude, whatever you need. Yes, yes, yes. The answer is always yes. Because if it's no, I ain't doing the work. Claude's doing the work. Cool. So while he's cooking, slicing, and baking, I am going to quickly just draft a new email because I'm going to send an email out to my email list, email marketing, and duplicate. Oh, I actually want to duplicate the other one. There's many different tools you could do for email marketing. I just use Kit just to keep it simple. Here is the email. Perfect. GenSpark has the whole plan. And then in here, GenSpark also has, GenSpark did a lot of the work. Audio and video is freezing. That is, if I definitely open a new window or something, I definitely gotta slow down. I should probably keep my live stream on or something. We're gonna see how far we go with it. But I appreciate the insight on the radar. I was like, man, it's more bandwidth. I just don't have, because I'm also, now we're multitasking a ton of stuff now. Let's see if I could close anything maybe here. Oh, I do need Gling. That's probably why. Okay, let me close Gling. Gling's for my AI video editor. I need to get that course out tonight too. What's up, Tom? Welcome back. Can't get enough VS Code. Claude Code is amazing. Oh, basically I'm just building the page for this whole program that we're talking about. So he's vibe coding me a nice, beautiful page, which is great. I also want to put a image in his folder so that I can basically, I think this is the photo. Yeah, I want to add this. AI Mastery Program. We are going to move that right in our image folder. Boom, there it is. Nice. That's exactly what I want. And we're going to give that to Claude. Am's Creative Studio, what's up? Hello, how's it going? We're vibe coding. Good to see everyone. By the way, we are vibe coding a new program that we are launching. I'm just going to quick be promoting it all day because we're vibe coding. We just have to kill time. This is like the biggest thing. So this is what we're going to teach you in the next 5 weeks. AI Mastery Program, content automation, Google AI Studio, vibe coding with Claude Code, AI agents, GenSpark, so much more. So much more. Nice. So that's basically what we're going to be promoting. Oh, I think he's done. Remove the annual. Oh, well, hold on. We're going to now view the website and then also make changes to it. So I'm just going to list out changes that I want to see what this looks like. Build your AI-powered business in just 5 weeks. Join the AI Mastery Accelerator, the only live program that teaches you how to automate research, content, marketing using the world's best AI tools. That sounds boring. Is it me or does that sound boring? I know where to get better files. It's going to lag in a moment, but I got to get this URL. Bingo. Okay. AI, build your AI powered business in just 5 weeks. Okay, I like that. I want you to replace where it says join the AI Mastery Accelerator, the only live program. I want you to replace that whole thing. And I want, replace that whole sub-sentence, and I want you to replace it with this that's right here. Okay, that would be there. I'm going to replace the VSL, so that's going to be a new VSL. 5-week program. Ooh, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. That looks good. Debating if I want to use the images, but we'll say 5-week program breakdown, add an image there. Next change is under the 5-week program breakdown. Here's what you'll build together. I want you to add an image, and in your image file, it's called AI Mastery Program PNG is the name of it. I want you to add that image there. Okay, is there anything else I want? Would do 30 per private. Also 30 courses. Jesus. You know, okay, there's there's some things I want to change here. I kind of like where he's going with that, but let's just make some changes. For the section of 30 AI courses included, it's actually 23 AI courses included. Under AI Foundations is ChatGPT Mastery, Prompt Engineering, GenSpark, Gemini, and Claude. Actually, don't add Claude. And then under Marketing and Content, you could do content automation. You could do ad creation, remove SEO, and replace social media systems with digital AI avatars. And I'd rather have these instead of just blocks. I'd rather have these as checklists with copywriting for each of those lines. So I want you to use your copywriting skills to write copywriting for each of these check marks instead of just like bullet points for these. Remove the sales and operations. We don't do CRM, email, voice, or customer service bots. And under advanced tools, replace advanced tools with AI automation tools. Remove make.com. And it's more just NAN for content, NAN for workflow automation, self-hosting, and then also it's like Claude code to Vibe code custom applications with APIs. Yeah, full stack, front end, back end, AI development. So it's really advanced tools and app development is really that section cost. And then you could put in the Claude code and benefits of Vibe coding with Claude code, and then also NAN automation. Yeah. On step 3, I want to change this to get support and build instead of get support and ship. Remove the last section at the very bottom where it asks the question, when does the next cohort start? Just remove that FAQ question. Do the build your first automation in 30 days or get a full refund. So it's like a 30-day money back guarantee, but it's also they'll be able to build their first automation in 30 days, guaranteed. In the down below where it says the green check marks, I want you to add a one-time, one-on-one, 1 hour with Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. Replace the price to $97 and then scratch out $250 a month. They can cancel anytime. Remove the annual price as well too. Down below underneath the button, put 30-day money-back guarantee. That is quite a lot of changes, right? Yep. Okay, let's version 2. That is just for version 2. All of that was just voice attacks. You didn't see me type a single word. Oh, now it's going to kill my internet because now he's going to build. Okay, cool. So he's building away. I'm happy with that. We're also going to generate some more copy there. So we're going to add, is this funnel still the same? Yeah, it's still the same funnel. It's technically the community funnel, but I'm adding the 5-week curriculum that we're doing over the next 5 weeks starting January 6th. So basically it's just the community, same price. I'm just adding, because I'm like, let's market the 5-week program. This is the most boringest part right now, is just waiting for Claude to do his thing. I mean, we could parallel work, but at the same time, I have another page open that I'm going to be putting some copywriting in there. But yeah, so this is going to be that program. It's live. Well, yes. So we're going to officially start January 6th. Is that's when the official. And then tonight, I'm already releasing a Claude code course. So how to vibe code a website, how to do all that. So that's all going to be released tonight once we finish this part, because I just needed to vibe code the website and then put the, basically add the new, I was even going to do like a little VSL real quick, but let's see, just real quick and simple. Because yeah, this week we're only meeting, we may, I don't, I'm kind of debating which day should be the holiday for the community. I don't know which day. Like Wednesday, like, is it Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Definitely Christmas Day. It's like sleep in. So like the first, no, nothing going on in the community on the first. Oh my gosh, Claude is vibe coding. Okay, so he's almost done. I mean, is the funnel for AI business with lead magnet and landing pages? I mean, the funnel for AI business. Not sure what you mean, Raven Tech. Is still the same. So funnel for AI business with lead magnet and landing page. You still always want a landing page or a lead magnet, basically. So, but right now, at least for me right now, I should add it, but we'll think about it. I need to add a lead magnet, like join the newsletter or something like that. We could add the newsletter actually real quick and easy too. Let's take a look at this and our changes to see the changes that we made. Oh, much better. Get a clear step-by-step blueprint to maximize AI in your business for marketing, sales, lead generation, and social media. Nice. I like that. 5-week program breakdown. Ooh, very nice. Added that image. Perfect. There's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Perfect. What you get when you join, everything to master AI automation, our 5-week AI Mastery Accelerator flagship program. I like that. Live training every Tuesday through Thursday at, I think it's 3 p.m. EST. Update on the website. So under a 5-week mastery program, it's actually 3 p.m. EST. Okay. We have 23 AI courses. Also, we have 23 AI courses, so update that. It's under the section where it says what you get when you join. Better. Oh, much better. I like this. This is a really good copywriting. You had the funnel blueprint for AI business agency. I know one of the funnels that you're talking about. You're probably talking about this. Well, so technically, so I see. I'm catching up. Sorry, there's a lot. So let's say I could find that image of what you're talking about. You're talking about this. Let me find webinar. Yeah. So I can find anything in my brain. Thanks to Notion. You're talking about this, which is basically just a webinar funnel. So this is a webinar funnel if you're selling like coaching, consulting, something high ticket, something like that. I will set this up, but not right now. Everything mostly is honestly live streaming, believe it or not. Yeah, and then your content on the other side, which is going to be automated anyway. So it's like that's going to be pumping out content, but it's really the live streams that like is the most important thing. So hope that answers your question, Raven Tech. Wait, Rayan Tech. I want to pronounce that right. Good questions. Content automation, digital AI avatars, ad creation, nice. AI app mobile development, NAN for content automation, NAN for workflow automation, self-hosting, Claude code, build web apps, APIs, full stack, AI development, create professional front-end interfaces, back-end systems, and API integrations, no coding experience. Oh, we getting, damn. To see how far we've come from, like, we started this community in February. It's like late January, early February. It was like the first week of February was when we officially launched. Like, how far we've come to now. That's kind of funny. That's interesting just to see, like, 1 year, how it's your journey. I'm going to add some more images here. So I'm going to do a whole round on images right after this. What members are saying, FAQ, that's good enough. There's one-on-one, 5-week master live record, 30 data, private community, weekly live. So here's everything you get for basically 97. A one-time one-on-one session with me. We're going to go over that time for sure. 5-week AI Mastery Accelerator, live and recorded. That's what we're starting January 6th. We actually have 23 AI courses. Down at the bottom of the page where it's the Dr. AI membership, you need to change it so it's 30. So it's 23 plus premium AI courses. Sorry, I had to talk to my AI developer to say, hey, make this change. Friday office hours, weekly live workshops every Wednesday. Yep. Usually I try not to do it because I'll burn out pretty hard. Can you vibe code with ChatGPT? Nah, even ChatGPT Codex is trash. All hail Claude Code. It's like, I'm actually even going to be canceling my ChatGPT subscription when it comes up at the end of this month. And that's going to be off with his head, off with the chopping. I'm your 7th member, I think. Oh, shoot. Dope. Then also let me know too, because I just sent an email to everyone so they got the schedule. Good to see you, man. Nice. Danish Tank. Nice. You've been around since the OG days. You were looking at the other funnel page. That was done in Canva with the funnel and the old. Oh man, that technically is still true. Like that whole funnel that I showed at the beginning, like technically that still rings true. The main thing, like going back to like what I originally started with to where I am today, is like just post 3 times a day and go live at least 1 hour a day. Just keep that consistency is like the main thing. Cool. Friday office hours, monthly group coaching, all templates, prompts, resources, custom apps, and limited lifetime access to all recordings. Of course, since it's in the membership, so it's not. So we just need to remove that sentence. That doesn't apply. Remove that sentence. There we go. That looks good. That looks good. 30-day. Good enough. I'm going to add at least a few more images just to spruce it up a little. Oh, I also need you to add the login link and then also make it mobile optimized. And then so when it compresses on mobile, I want the 3 little lines on the navigation bar. You could put contact, you could put the login, and then go grab that login from you could grab it from the 3-academy.html page. I was just thinking of other things to say. So what do you vibe code with? VS Code and Claude. Claude Code and VS Code are like the 2 vibe coding apps right now. So right now, I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna add some cool images in a moment, but that's gonna be good enough. Yeah, just that's gonna be that good enough. Okay, so now we're going to just get a little extra, just a little extra. Why not? It serves no purpose but aesthetics. I want some images on this page. Images would be nice. What you get when you join. I'm going to take that section and then I'm going to take, oh, actually, let's do this. I'm going to cheat. Yes, I'm definitely going to cheat. I'm going to take an entire screenshot. Oh, it's going to lag. It is going to lag so bad right now. See if maybe I could close some tabs, but probably no hope with that. There we go. Hold on, wait for it to lag to kind of stop. There we go. Wait for lag to stop. There, nice. So I need to take that image and attached is the website. I want you to create prompts to create infographics for the different sections on the page using Nano Banana Pro. Keep them minimal. Use my black and gold aesthetics. You can also vibe code some images in 16:9 or square ratios, and then just tell me where you want to put them. This is going, so now, oh, we're definitely going to burn some tokens. So now we're going to use Nano Banana to basically do the images for the website. You guys have no idea how dope this is. This is so dope. Website developers definitely don't have a job anymore after this. This is gone. How are we doing? Doing good on time. Nice. Quick plug. Definitely sign up for the community because you get to hang out and we're actually going to be building this right here. AI Mastery Accelerator. That's coming out. So definitely link in bio. Sign up and master AI in 2026 with the community. We'd love to have you there. We'd love to meet you. You get to meet some amazing human beings. And it's the fastest way to get a one-on-one with me. So I could take a look at your business and see where you need assistance. Yes, Claude, I want you to generate all of the images right now using Nano Banana Pro. Oh, this is going to burn so many tokens. See this what you're seeing on your screen right now is why GenSpark is dope. It writes the prompts in batches and generates the images using Nano Banana Pro in batches, not one at a time. That's the secret of why you want to use GenSpark. Shh. Don't tell anyone. This is where it gets stupidly competitively advantage. Because while everyone's doing one Nano Banana one at a time, this thing just spit out 30 custom images for my website. Or 20. Or probably 15. Look at these beautiful images that no more Canva. No more going to Canva image stock. Like, no. Nice. All right, so it's going to tell me where it wants all of these. Samuel followed. Definitely follow. If you're into AI for business, definitely in the right crowd. And then join the community. Link is in the bio. That's where all the action is. By the way, we're meeting tomorrow this week too. we've been off for like Christmas break for some time too, which is kind of wild. So very excited to get back to it. Hero section, right below the headline in the hero section. Hero. 5 AI tools you'll master. I like that for the journey. Ah, the weekly schedule. That looks cool, but that didn't do well. There's only some that I want. I don't even have that for to like regenerate more. Actually, I want you to fix the schedule one. Do the schedule image again, but the calendar is 3 p.m. Tuesday through Friday. And then I want to step up the quality for the 5 AI tools. Also step up the quality for the hero image. And then redo the value stack pricing, and it's $97 a month. Friday office hours on the image prompt needs to be redone. It's not all day, it's just 3 p.m. EST. And I want to show, I would love for you to create like product images with like, you know how they do digital products with like the computer and the different, you could view it on different devices kind of thing. I want you to create some of those like mock-ups. Like create professional mock-ups using the brand images for each of the tools or each of the sections as well too. That would be dope. Oh, now we're getting too crazy. Now we're just getting too crazy. Now, see, with great power comes so much. You can have anything you want with AI, which is kind of wild. So now we just, because what I give you guys my principles, and one of my principles is like you're going to burn 7 to 10, sometimes even 15 images until you get the right image that you want. So the main thing to say is don't expect perfect coming out of the first gate of these models, but you refine your prompt, and then from there you can get much better quality for what you're looking for. Appreciate all the follows. If you're brand new, what's your AI goals? Oh, hello. Damn. I told it to step up the quality, and it's like, oh, you want me to step up the quality? I'm going to step up my quality. Hold on. Wow. Wow, that actually looks really dope. I wish it wasn't like a medical device, but these are really dope. Ooh, that looks dope. I like this. Do you offer this vibe coding class, Jonathan? Yes, this is week 2 of the community. This is going to be the second week. So The week of January 6th is where we're teaching. Well, technically, if you think of it this way, if you join the community or if you're in the community, tonight I'm releasing a Claude Code course that would go through vibe coding all the way up to vibe coding to a website right now. And then this week I'm going to finish it off and add how to vibe code like an actual application and get that posted. So that's going to be a full course that like you don't have to wait till this program. Like you can sign up today, and tonight I'm releasing that Claude Code. I just have to finish editing it right now. And then that's the other thing too, is like you guys don't have to like wait till like the weeks are just the live classes. Some people just don't want live classes, but you could join and just start binging the courses for all this anyways. So that's just quick action right there, because I get it, everyone's busy. So sign up with the link in the bio and you could just start binging these courses. And then Claude Code is coming out tonight with how to build your website and get it hosted. It looks real nice. Whoa, interesting. Before, after, These are pretty cool. I like this. This is actually decent. I like this. Let's add the calendar. Oh, I should actually save it as a name. Downloads. This one's going to be calendar. What else do I? Now I'm just going shopping. Do I like this image or do I like this image? Do I like that or do I like this? I'll do this one. Yeah, replace this one. This one's going to get replaced. We're just going to replace that right now, because that one is AI Mastery Program. And we'll just save this one in images, downloads for now. Very nice. Okay, that looks good. I like that. And then what else do we have here? Now I'm just going shopping. Oh, I like this before and after transformation. Save image as transformation. That's what I want. Now I'm just going shopping for images. This is so much better than like, the pain of going through Canva and I should probably point this way, but the pain of going through Canva and like going through images and you're like, not the image I want, not the image I want, not the image I want. That becomes irrelevant. AI is like hyper personalization. That's basically what AI offers. Hyper personalization for whatever you want, basically. Personalized news, personalized content, articles, whatever you want is actually really dope. Okay. Oh, I like this. Computer mockup. So save image as computer mockup. Trying to be like explicit so like Claude could go figure it out. Ooh. Oh, but why does it have the Medusa? We're not. I get it, Dr. AI, but I'm not doctor affiliated in any way. I can't help you medically in any way. This is can we remix this? Remix. And I want to add my photo. And I'm even going to add my new headshot. I got a new headshot. Shoot, where did I save it though? Dang it. Okay, so I may have to view as icons. Would that be better? It's a little better. Kind of better. Well, now is it? Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna get it from Canva. Oh, it's in my clipboard history. That's why. which I need to download anyways. So, oh, it's going to make me sign in. Everything wants me to sign in. Everything's a sign in account. Canva leveled up this year a lot, didn't it? Isn't that wild? Okay. I have a, if I search in here, I have a new headshot because Nano Banana Pro is so much fun. Hello, hello, Prod House. Nice to meet you. I have my headshots here. Couldn't connect, trying to reconnect. Oh no, internet. I am really pushing this. Duplicate. What AI? Which AI? We're doing a lot of different AI ones. This is actually my clipboard history. No. Where did we get it from? Oh. I got it from Google AI Studio. Uh-oh. Am I connected? Hold on, I may not be connected. What AI? What? Comment something in TikTok. It says it's not connected. I think it's connected. I see people popping in and out, so I think we're good. But I don't know why. It says it's not connected, but it looks okay. Okay. Good enough. In here, I have a nice headshot. Nano Banana Pro. Thank you for the follows. Are you using Claude Code? Yep. Claude's actually, he's in the background. He's already rebuilt the website. So right now we're just getting images for him to add to the website. So we're going to be using, I thought I asked for one. That's weird. Where did we get that? No, I downloaded that. Kinda. There it is. I was like, I downloaded a headshot somewhere. Headshot 2. There. I need to save that in my images because I use headshots a lot. Okay, sorry. I needed that so that I could drop it in here for fun. Just so this has it. Nice. I'll use that in the future. Nice. Nano Banana Pro for headshots is the GOAT. The best. So good. Okay, so we were going to use that in a add me. And then now we could put that image here on the screen. Was it medical Caduceus? Was it what they call it? Caduceus. Close enough. And then I think that's pretty good. Basically, now we're getting fancy. We're going to say, hey, put me in here and remove the Caduceus or something like that. What is your take on joining? I want to learn these step by step. Definitely join, because once you join, you get access to 23 instant courses. Oh, it's going to lag. Hold on. Like, for a beginner, we have all the levels from fundamentals, from like how to even use a Mac, to then all the way to like how to use ChatGPT, custom GPTs, prompt engineering. So if you want to learn AI and you want a best place, definitely join. But here's the cool thing. You get support, and as soon as you join, you get a 1-hour one-on-one with me where I get to meet with you, and I get to put together a custom roadmap. So definitely join. Link in the bio. And then you get courses, because we all have access to all the courses, so you could just binge those when you want. And then we have the live workshops, which is Tuesday through Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 1 hour. Come in, answer questions. I'm usually teaching a live class at that time. And then Fridays is like office hours, projects, show and tell. Come in and get tech support, or like help troubleshooting your automation or something like that. But the projects that we build are business related. It's like how to automate your content, how to build a digital avatar, how to build digital agents that automate your basically all your work in your business, front end, your marketing, your sales, your follow-up and sales. And then I have a huge extensive background in digital marketing. So how to do marketing, content, all that stuff you get support with. So highly recommend join. Anyways, so now we're going back. Link is in the bio to definitely join. And you get to learn the skills to do all the stuff I do. Or there's also, I'm just going to go put it out there, I do have one-on-one coaching. That's the easiest. If you just want to work one-on-one with me, that's the easiest. Just work one-on-one with me. We meet for 1 hour. I show you exactly what to click, how to set things up specific to your role, your job, your business. That's like the highest ROI. If you're like, John, I don't want to do courses or classes, I just want to work one-on-one with you, definitely click the link in the bio. Or I should be a little more specific about where. I think that's AI-consulting. Is that the landing page? AI consultant. I got to find out where that one-on-one coaching page is. I'll find it. But if you're interested, just comment. That's the easiest. So how is GenSpark? So GenSpark's now making the next. Ooh, yeah. The effort it took, no effort. If you have AI skills, you are going to crush it in 2026. Your competitors who are using Canva and mockups and doing things manually won't even compare. Oh my gosh. You know how long it would have took to do a mock-up design before AI? Like, game over. We're going to save this one. That's why you want to join the community, because see all the cool stuff we're doing. All right, so let's go here. I think I have everything I need. I think I'm going to keep that one as the computer mock-up. That's the old one. And I'm going to call this program mock-up. Okay, perfect. So these are the newest ones. I'm going to highlight these. Is there anything else I want? No, there's nothing else I want. That's what I want. Okay. So crazy time difference, but I guess you got it all figured out. Yeah, the time. I have students from Australia, the UK, Brazil, Canada, Mexico. Across all the states, we have people in Tennessee, New York, California, across the states in the U.S. So it's like we're pretty global, which is actually kind of fun. The time difference is a whole different thing, but yeah, if you're like, the nice thing is like the one-on-one coaching, I make it very convenient of like early mornings, evenings, or weekends to whatever matches your schedule. That's the easiest. That way we meet at your schedule on continuously every week. Let me get the page for that. Well, and I'll just put in the link. Actually, I'll just give you the link, the TidyCal link. Hold on. It is. I have a ton of links right now. Hold on. And then. Oh, this doesn't have the new stuff. You know what? I'm just going to use this for right now. This is the easiest. I'm going to put a link in the chat. You could book a 1 hour session, and that way you could just book a 1 hour anytime. No monthly package, no expensive anything. It's just jump on the calendar, book an hour, and we'll talk. We'll start working on whatever you need. That way you don't need a course, you don't need a program, you could just work one-on-one with me. But if that's too much, join the community. We have weekend live classes and stuff. That would be 2 ways you could work with me, or I could transform your business. Okay, because imagine me walking in and doing all of this cool stuff for your business. 2026 would definitely make more money. So now we could go into Claude Code. We're going to take these, add these into our image folder. Perfect. And now I'm going to go to Claude. I added the images, program mockup, transformation, calendar, journey, and hero. And I want you to place those at these locations. And I'm just going to go to GenSpark and just say, hey, quickly, hey, just quick and short, how do I add just a quick short, just a bullet list of where the location for these images should go. Just these. It's like I got to play like telephone. I got to like talk to the agent and be like, what's the best design? What's the best strategy? And then take that information and then give it to Claude. You get a better quality output basically by doing that. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take these and then I'm going to give that to Claude and let him figure it out. I'm not going to figure it out. I'm not going to say move this, do that. Like, nah. I want to make it so easy that he's going to. So basically, if you think about it, we've had Claude build the entire website. We're on version 3 right now of the website. Version 3. That's all we've done. 3 versions. And we've already done the text and the formatting, the button and everything. This is going to be the new homepage for the website that you'll be able to see in just a few minutes. Then we use Nano Banana Pro inside GenSpark to basically do all the cool images, because graphic design is now, if you're a graphic designer, congratulations, you don't have a job in 2026. Your job's now automated. Like Google literally just killed that entire job industry, because I would need a graphic designer, I would need a web developer, I would need a software developer to do the things that I want. Now there's just a $20 subscription, and that whole, so it's like more to say, learn AI before you get replaced by AI. Because it's just someone who, okay, he's done. So now let's take a look at our website and see our changes. Let's take it out. By the way, while I was talking to you, that's vibe coding. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, I'm actually going to make that as the cover then. We'll remove the Wistia for right now. For right now, I want you to remove the Wistia video on the homepage. Okay, and then what else? Ooh, business transformation from chaos. Wow. Which is better, Studio AI, Lovable, or Claude for coding? Actually, it's VS Code and Claude Code is actually the best one. Then second to that is actually Minimax and GLM 4.7. If I just spoke Chinese in that sentence, I know, it's just wild. Because technically, by the end of January, you won't need Claude Code, is my prediction. Claude Code is going to get replaced by one of the Chinese models, Minimax, GLM 4.7. What that means is that you get the same performance as Claude Code for 1/5 of the price or 1/10 of the price, because the Chinese models are just so much cheaper. So that's where it's like, it's really beneficial to stay up to date with AI, because you could be using an expensive model and that's already been obsolete. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is looking real nice. I'm liking this. Bro, what's up? This is a beautiful website. God damn. my skills. So good. So good. Oh, this is beautiful. We'll need to move the calendar somewhere. We'll move the calendar. Actually, just remove. For the calendar section, the image is kind of alone. It's just the calendar. Can you write just a quick little section right there that highlights the live classes Tuesday through Friday with office hours on Friday, so they get the direct support, plus they get chat support as well too. So they get their questions and answers immediately. What are you doing here? I am vibe coding a brand new website that we're building for the community to promote a 5-week program that we're promoting. And we just finished the image. Ooh, your journey. Oh, I like that. That's better. Join, learn, automate. I like that. We could remove, no, I'll leave it. That's good enough. We got testimonials, FAQs. Okay. Okay. I like that. Just make those 2 changes. Claude code. And we're good to ship this. We are ready to ship this. Why? What did you call the Chinese model? You guys got to join the community. If I'm talking about Chinese models and you're like, wait, what do you mean? There's a Claude? There's something better, cheaper than Claude? That's one of the biggest things. Yeah, there's actually cheaper models. Got to join the community, Eric. Eric, just get in the community. Because we'll actually show you how to set up the tools, right? Build your AI-powered business. Okay, so he finished making the changes. He's like, developing whole using AI. Yeah, I'm developing the whole website using AI. I'm not spending a second. You guys haven't seen me do a single line of code. Minimax is 1, and then GLM 4.7. I know, the names are so weird. GLM 4.7. Their parent name is like Z, and then Minimax does all the coding. I like how it has the contact as the, okay, cool. That looks good. I think we're good. Oh, look. Weekly live training session. I want the calendar just black and gold. It pops out a little too much. I'm a little, hey, GenSpark, let's just one more image to generate. I want you to just regenerate the calendar, but do it in black and gold, but emphasis on black majority with gold highlights, basically. One image, it just pops out too much. That white box just comes out and it goes, I'm like, nah, I like black. I like everything to be color palette. I could actually do color palette. So it just pops out too much versus all the other ones. They kind of blend in. See, I like that. See that look. What are you using the checkout for payment? Unfortunately, I say, is Circle. Circle has a built-in checkout payment. Do I like it? No, I do not like it. But it is what it is because it automatically enrolls people for the community. If I were to do it in hindsight and do it differently, I probably would do a school community. And then I would probably do a Samcart if I was doing something else. Like Samcart is also a great checkout kind of thing. So right now I'm just kind of stuck with Circle. Well, Circle does Stripe, so it is secure checkout kind of thing. Some people like their page. I just had some complaints from people unable to log in, and I find it a bad customer experience. And I'm like, but that's a whole different thing. It's trying to figure out what's the best customer experience. I think this looks great. I think we're done. This looks, my compliments to the chef, but damn, this looks great. Oh, we were doing the image. There we go. Calendar. Did we get a new one? I like that. I like it. It's good enough. It's just good enough. And then we're just going to save this. And then this is going to be calendar. Cool. Get rid of this guy and replace him with this guy. The O switcheroo. Like no one knows. No one will ever know. Damn, that's good. So good. Okay, see, that just blends in a lot better. I like that. I like that. I like all of this. This is good. Okay, cool. Let's now ship this. So to ship this, let me check links here. Make sure all the hyperlinks actually work, because you want to make sure all the buttons that you direct people to actually takes them to the right place. So making sure, yeah, if I click this, this should be the checkout page for Circle. See, there's the Circle checkout page. As soon as you click the button, you can see 97. So this is the Circle checkout page. So it's actually not embedded. It actually just, it's real simple. When you click the button, it just takes them to Circle's natural checkout link. So the client, customer, they don't know. They just see Circle, basically. And then from Circle, it automatically enrolls them and does all that stuff, which is dope. Okay, so now we're going to update the website and do an email blast to promote this. So let's, step 1, upload this to the website, because right now we're done vibe coding. We completely vibe coded the website. Thank you, Cloud Code. I'll let you guys look at my Pokemon for a second while I open up a specific page on the website. Okay, cool. So we need to do 2 things. This is not complex. All you're doing is uploading images and files to a computer or to a screen. That's all. Okay. So step 1, we're going to change the index file. And it's going to be this new page that we just built. So this is the old index page. We're going to move him in the archive website. And then we're going to rename him index archive 12-29-2025. That way you save all your old websites, basically. We also have new images that we're going to upload, which we need to do next. Okay, so here's the website. It's this one. Okay, this is the website. And then copy, index, yep, paste, yep, save, yep. And then we also need some images. Boom. And then let's go add those images. I appreciate the follow. Welcome. And then here is our new images. Date created, not date modified. Then I can sort in images. Here's all our new ones. And we're going to take those and place them, actually not right there. Bingo, right here. Now we're uploading all those images. 6 images, custom images that we just vibe coded. This is so dope. Perfect. And now, because they should have all the names and all the same, we just copy paste the same HTML file. It's done. Oh, this is so gangster. So now we do a little purging. Purge that cache so that we get the fresh website. Fresh off. And now if we go and check it out, do you think it works? Do you think it works? I have a question. Is it possible to build an AI agent that scans the internet for certain keywords items? Yes. You could do it for, you can automate anything, Johnny. Now's the best time. The short answer is yes. The next answer is, do you have the skills to actually execute on it? That's where you gotta, my websites, man. I've been building websites for decades, but oh man, this is live. This is now on the website. When you go to simpletechskills.com, you can see this beautiful website that I just vibe coded in real time. By the way, join the community because we're going to teach how to do all this, plus so much more inside. And plus we have courses. You get to meet the other members. The other members are where you're really joining, because like the other members are like Legends. Legends. Oh, look at this. This is so dope. That looks great. Just making sure all the images are there. That looks great for the office hours. I like that. Has all the things. Looking good, looking good. Here's what you get. 5-week program, 23 courses, private one-on-one session with me, weekly live coaching, office hours, everything you need to be successful with AI. 23 AI courses. I would like something for the 23 AI courses, but I'm not going to worry about that right now because that changes so much. Journey, join, learn, automate. I like that. Join the academy, attend the live sessions, and get support and start building. Join a community of builders. If you guys remember, we get super nerdy. The original name for the community was Global Builders Club, but it didn't have AI in it, so so simple tech skills. Website studying. This is, you can make a beautiful website for your business, for your portfolio, for your own interest, for just even promoting yourself. Honestly, like, this is what I highly recommend. Looking good. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, I have like I have god powers here. Oh, this looks. Oh, these are just Wistia videos. Sorry, I was dealing with a hater. Oh wow, build 30-day money back guarantee. Nice. You guys didn't see me write a single line of code. You didn't see me look for colons or like dashes or writing some JavaScript function. You didn't see me write a single line of code. None. And it's a beautiful website with beautiful graphics, and all it's not, and it's all purely, it's all functional, and it's now live. You saw me go through the whole workflow to show, and you can do it too inside the community. And surprisingly too, like if you join tonight, I'm actually going to, I don't think if you guys want to hang out, I mean, if you want to hang out a little longer, it's going to be, I don't want to say, well, this is done. This is, wow. And I like this little, you can't see this, but it's a little thing. Actually, you can. So like when you switch to mobile mode, look at the top right hand corner. I like the little nav bar. It changes, and then you have a little drop down. That little guy right there. Oh wait, does he work? Hold up. Functionality test. Hey, the nav bar doesn't work while mobile. Let's go to Claude. The nav bar on the mobile doesn't work when I click on it. The 3 vertical lines, when I click on it, I don't see the drop down for the options. Claude's like, all right, no problem. I'm on it. Boss wants it fixed, on it. Hell yeah. Thank you, Claude. See, that's actually a really good example. Everything looked functional, right? This is the one of the caveats when you work with Claude Code or any coding AI tool. They have tunnel vision. They don't see the whole code and like holistically go, oh, I made a change here. Probably should make some changes upstream and other things to fix it that may impact. The AI tools don't think like that. They're pure tunnel vision. Build this, build that, fix this one bug. So a lot of people when they're vibe coding, they're super frustrated because they're having to fix the same bug or change over and over and over. And you're like, Claude, I told you to change this. Why haven't you changed this for all the situations? Because they have tunnel vision. So it's also good to know the limitations of the tools. So now let me double check. Always good to just test the functionality of your website. It looks amazing. It's good enough. Honestly, it's good enough. Like the main thing is like, get yourself Claude Code, $20, get it on VS Code. Just talk to him like a 5th grader. Like honestly, talk to him like a 5th grader. Use voice to text, don't type, and just tell him what you want. And then Nano Banana for the images. All brand colored and like, this is amazing. Okay, wait, I'm testing the functionality. I don't think it's, no, functionality is not working. Let me refresh then. No, I refreshed. No, I refreshed and I tried to click the button and it didn't drop down. So so continue to fix it. It looks nice, but it's almost functional. As a software developer, a lot of what you're doing is fixing bugs. So this is our first bug. Oh my God, a bug. What do? You just tell Claude on a 5th grade level, hey, there's a bug, it's here. And the real thing with prompt engineering is honestly 2 things, voice to text and being very explicit, like very detailed. The short answer is most people are just too brief in how they talk to AI. You want to be very explicit and detailed. Okay, so he's fixing code. I'm not writing any code. He's doing all the coding. By the way, if you want to learn how to code, sign up for the community. We're going to teach you in 5 weeks how to vibe code, how to build apps, how to do digital marketing, how to do AI agents, content automation. You guys really want us to go for the content automation. That's where all the fun is, where you're like, oh, I can make custom apps now. You will cut all your subscriptions by half because you're like, why do I need this subscription? Why am I paying this money every single month when I could just vibe code my own tool? It's like getting a 3D printer. If you guys ever get a 3D printer, it's like the best addiction because you can literally fix anything in your house custom forever. Hi, and the SEO, I'm not worrying about SEO. Like my game isn't SEO, my game is content and live streams. That's my content, traffic. SEO is a later long-term strategy. Right now, I just do paid ads and I do content, and that's the best way for me to drive traffic so that I don't have to wait 6 months for SEO to maybe work. I could get leads and sales within 24 hours through content or through ads. So it's just a different strategy. SEO still works, but it's like later on. That's when you're doing like WordPress and you're doing like, there's AEO and all that fun stuff. Oh yeah. Everyone's like, John, did you fix it? Let's check the bug. We're fixing bugs because we're software developers. One, make sure we're on the local host. Shrink it. Oh, fancy. Now we have a functioning, Now we have a functioning hamburger. I was like, oh, we broke it. Look at that. And then log in contact. Perfect. Because some members, they go straight to here so they can log back into the community. And by the way, we have also a Circle app. Like you could literally go to the App Store, download Circle, sign in, and we have the whole platform on an app, which I didn't have to do app design too. It's actually the best experience. Mobile is better than the school's mobile app. Anyways, okay, so that looks good. Let's ship this update right here. Can you clean the classes? No, definitely. I'm going to put a couple more div tags in there just to mess with it, and then it'll be ready to go. Web development. Dude, you lost your job. But you have job security because the stuff I'm showing is not the path to SEO, is not the path to be a web developer. Oh, totally different road, totally different service, totally different. But for us, crafty people that want to just do it on their own, like people that just want to learn how to code, oh my gosh, is the barrier to entry amazing. Okay, so we're just going to copy this. That's just that. And then we're going to go to SiteGround. You can use SiteGround. Hostinger really doesn't matter. And now we're just going to replace this. Index, paste, save, and then we can purge. Cool. Incognito mode. Check it out. Ooh, very nice. And now the functionality of our bug. Did we fix the bug? Look, there's the hamburger. Boop, and our hamburger works. There's our menu. We fixed our bug. See, you're always going to fix bugs. Cool. That's good enough. That actually, let's go here. Nice. So we're done vibe coding. That was pretty much all done with, ta-da, Claude Code with no effort. Built a beautiful website that you can build one too today. Just sign up for Claude Code, honestly, and just set it up in VS Code. Tonight in the community, I'm going to be releasing a course that shows detailed step-by-steps on everything that I just showed, plus a lot more secrets. Also, how to actually set up your hosting for $3 a month so that you can build a professional website for $3 a month. You can't beat that. Oh my gosh, cancel your subscriptions. And then, oh my gosh, this came out beautiful. I am just very impressed. Wow. And the images are great. Wow. And then, by the way, in the community, over the next 5 weeks, starting January 6th, we are going through our 5-week AI Business Master Program. So we're going to do week 1, which is all GenSpark, going super deep into GenSpark and custom AI agents to automate your documents, your presentations, your research, your business coaching, your strategy, and more. Then vibe coding with Claude Code. So Claude Code, we're going to actually show you how to go deeper with Claude Code to build front-end apps, back-end applications, integrate APIs, to connect up image, video, text, to build agentic workflows that are custom coded so you never have to deal with NAN, Make.com, or Zapier. That's probably the best comment from that program, my vibe coding program, is what's the point of NAN? I don't need to learn it anymore. All that like high learning curve of like, NAN is the best and all of that. People after they go through the vibe coding course are like, I don't need NAN. I can just vibe code some more powerful automations with it's just so much fun. So you don't need NAN once you learn how to vibe code. Then we're going to teach you this next best AI tool, which is Google Gemini. They have a ton of amazing tools, from Google AI Studio to Gemini to the image to VO3 and more. Claude or Cursor, in your opinion? Personally, Claude, honestly. If you're a software developer, go Cursor. Like, go software subscription and Cursor and all that stuff. Honestly, for like small business owners, content creators, people that are not developers, VS Code and Claude, super dangerous. But in January, that's going to get replaced by Minimax and GLM 4.7. Like, so goodbye, Claude, but we're going to continue vibe coding. The tools just get better. And then here we're going to build automations with Claude Code, and then teach you digital marketing to create digital products, sales pages, so that you can make money online and not sell your time in 2026. Sell your first digital product. This is all to have an AI enabled business, 5-week program, live classes, and we start January 6th. Helps me remember. I don't remember it. Oh, Notion for Second Brain. We actually have a whole Notion course, which is wild in there. So nice. That's pretty much that. That project's done. Oh, so now I can send an email. So I had also Claude. Wow, that looks just beautiful. So now I have Claude or GenSpark write an email. Wow. That was a lot of fun. That was actually super, super cool. I'm amazed that we built all that. And we're going to still go, too. Okay, so we did all the images, all the graphic design. Also, GenSpark did all the copywriting, too. So he wrote all the email marketing for the promotion for it. So let's go up to that. He did the VSL, which I'll think about it. I'll have him probably create the VSL, create the slides for the 2-minute VSL, create slides for the using Nano Banana Pro in 16:9 slides. Did you do this in Claude Code? Dream Life Coach. Nice to meet you. Yes, I did. Well, actually, I did this. If you go to my website, oh man, you missed a great episode. Well, actually, don't worry, because the whole episode, everything is like recorded. So if you want to like go back, there we go. So if you go to that website, that's what you see here. So everything here did not exist an hour ago, literally. Everything you see did not exist an hour ago. Within less than an hour, we did the graphic design, we did the copywriting, we did the branding and colors, we did the links, we did the formatting, we fixed bugs as well too. So this whole website is what you can vibe code today with Claude Code. Nice. And welcome to the chat. Tree of Life is like, yo, I gotta follow this dude. This dude is like doing some dope stuff. and giving away all the secrets. What? He doesn't gatekeep. Cool. So now I'm just gonna do a quick little email marketing right here and send a nice little email to my email list to let them know of what we're going to be working on over the next 6 weeks, which is this whole thing. So let me, and while I do that, we're going to multitask. We're going to have GenSpark do another thing. GenSpark's been the MVP in this. Isn't that amazing? Hello, Coach Vicky. Welcome. Oh, GenSpark is MVP. Okay, so now let's go to the email. He's now, while I'm working on this, he's going to create the slides and presentations down below from this right here. So he already did the copywriting, so he's going to grab that. I just want this part right here. I want the email. Let me grab. Oh, really? It should actually be in here. That's strange. Oh, no, here it is. We did the cool names. Email 1, perfect. Email 2 for leads. There we go. That's what I wanted. GenSpark does all your copywriting. Quick question. How about that's what we're going to do. Okay, here. So let's take this and paste this here. Quick question. How much of your business could you automate if you actually knew how to use AI properly? Not surface level ChatGPT prompts. Not 10 AI hacks from some guru. I know you guys are just stuck with prompts is like the biggest thing. I'm talking about building real systems to handle research, content, marketing. Well, actually, I like the way I say it to I'm talking about building real systems that automate your business for marketing, automate your marketing, sales, and lead gen. Your marketing, sales, and lead gen, and social media. This changes. Is that right? Quick question. How much of your business could you automate if you actually knew how to use AI properly? Not surface level ChatGPT prompts, not 10 AI hacks for some guru. I'm talking building real AI systems that automate marketing, sales, lead generate, social media. That changes in January. Meet the AI Mastery Accelerator program, 5-week program. Here's all the cool things that we're going to do. It's the same as the email. What makes this different? Who this is for, what you'll walk away with, and my guarantee, sure. Okay, we'll just take all this after. That's a lot of copywriting. Okay, so here, taking this all out, pasting this here. It's actually going to be January 6th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to burn that into my brain. In the first 30 days is my guarantee. That's through there. It's just 97. Join now. Is that the link? I don't think that's the link. Actually, let's just hyperlink this. Join now. Simple. And then, ooh, should we cap the community? I've thought about that. Not right now. It's more because it's more of the people that actually show up to the meetings are the ones that actually get served. That's one of the biggest things. Join Academy, you get access to this is actually 23 AI courses. Oh, I gotta fix that. Okay, cool. Website apps, scripts, an automated content machine, by Feb. And that's gonna be, I think we did 7. by February 7th. February. Who this is for, and start building. Start shipping, sure. People are sure of it. Supposed to watch a video. Tire kickers I want to implement. Nice, nice. Each day at 3 p.m. Nice. Tuesday through Thursday. Yep. And then Friday's office hour session. Yep. This looks good. Live building with me. Complete funnel. Yep. 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 That's the curriculum. Oh man, this is a hell of an offer. And then should I add some images from other stuff? Nah, just keep it simple. Actually, yeah. I think I could add the program mockup, which is going to be here. Ooh, yeah. That looks cool. That looks really cool. I think it should go above. There you go. I think that, yeah, it should go above. Did you know that AI-powered websites have hidden code that Google detects? I never build websites, but your name's web development. You should be the expert in web development. But yeah, AI-powered websites, it's not so much AI-powered. It's all raw code, so I'm sure there's like easy code for like Google to detect. The main thing is I don't care about SEO. I don't care if Google can detect my website or not. I care more about content. It's my more thing is, did you post 3 times of content? There you go. Did you post three pieces of content today, and did you go live at least once a day? That to me is marketing. I don't consider SEO marketing. It's like it's such an organic. It is very high quality for leads, but it's such a long term that if business owners need sales within 7 days, it's not the thing I'm going to recommend. It's like, let's get you ads, or let's get you automate your content, and then let's get you leads from there. Because like marketing, you have to build funnels, which is a fun thing. I like this. I like everything about this. Live workshops every Tuesday through Wednesday. No, Thursday. He's like, Mike is like, gee, nice. Tuesday through Friday, monthly office or weekly on Friday. Nice. This is great. I want to join. Definitely join. Link is in the bio. It's completely live and you can join right now. And if you join, you get my Calendly or my calendar, and you get to book a one-on-one 1-hour session with me. Please budget more than 1 hour, because I am going to go deep into your business, your goals, and give you so much. Well, I'll give you a roadmap and strategy. You think Santa gives gifts? You haven't been on one of my one-on-one calls. I have a ton of AI, business, and marketing gifts that will blow your mind after that first session. You should join just for that first one-on-one session. That is just life transforming in and of itself. And then you can hang out with, meet all the other cool members that I like to attract. Because if you like stuff like me, I attract really cool people. Because we got members in the community that I learned so much from them. I would not know what I know if it wasn't for a lot of the amazing community members that we all share tips and tricks and templates and prompts and custom GPTs and apps. We share so much, and then we show up for each other, help as much as we can. And AI is just so nifty. It's like we have an AI family, which is great. Like I'm blessed that after 1 year, we have 140 core members inside the community, and it's been an amazing year. And we're going to rock another year and go 10 times higher now with better tools. And now we know what we're doing. So this is going to be fun. So I'm just pretty much just fixing the copywriting here. What you'll walk away with by February 7th, you'll get a full working AI researching agent, custom tools you built yourself, website, apps, scripts, an automated content system, a complete marketing funnel ready to generate revenue online. And this is not theory. This is what you will actually step away with. You will actually have this customized to your business. but you got to join just the live class. Even if you miss the classes, we send you the replay videos. So you don't fall behind. That's the biggest thing. Okay, just making sure there's not anything extra in here. I think this is good. But yeah, quick for the new people. This is the 5-week program that we're going to do starting January 6th. I'm going to sound like a broken record for this, but AI agents with GenSpark that does all your work. I haven't written a document or created a slide presentation all year because of AI. It's like, yeah, Microsoft Word gone. So vibe coding, show you how to use Claude Code, just what I demonstrated. Basically, you just saw me build a beautiful website all through Claude Code right here. Actually, say hi, Claude. Claude shy. I think if I do this, there's Claude. Say hi, Claude Code. Claude Code, amazing. But TLDR, Claude Code is going to get replaced in mid-January. There's already Chinese models that are coming after the coding spot. So game on. Claude Code. Then Google won this year with all the best AI tools, for example. Google literally has the best, a very high competing tool in every category. App building, photos, videos, automations, Gemini, like there's so many. B says, not a business owner yet, but I love to join from Kenya. Please, definitely join. We have members from around the world. Literally, as I mentioned, I was like, we have people in Australia, the UK, Brazil, Canada, across the US, Mexico. Like we're pretty much global, which is super dope. And you meet amazing people. You get to see other people and how they're building and what are they building. So Google came out amazing. So, but it's actually kind of ironic. They're not the best at marketing, like marketing their options. They just put them out and they're amazingly powerful, but barely people discover like all the cool things you could do with them. So I want to get you expert level with Google AI and all their tools. And then lastly is last 4 weeks, content automation on autopilot. Now we're going to put your vibe coding skills to the test, and we're going to vibe code a digital clone avatar. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to create. This is a digital avatar. I'm actually going to create more content with him right after this. Here, try full stack programming tools. Ooh, what do you recommend? Clanky AI. Please share recommendations. I'm kind of curious. Oh wait, not this one. Let's do this one right here. This is it. So just an hour ago, I did this. This is, hey Jen, digital avatar. I did not get on camera. This is my digital clone who got on camera and
right now is the easiest time
creating content.
How to build software, and most people are still waiting. With Claude Code, you can build real apps, tools, and automations in hours instead of weeks. Inside our live community, we're building websites, apps, and automations together step by step using Claude Code and modern AI tools. If you've been thinking about learning this stuff, now's the moment. Join us live and start building today.
Oh, you can't promote yourself. That's not fun. That's no fun. But this, oh my gosh, this all vibe coded, custom coded. So we're going to show you how to build an app for that, which is all vibe coded so that you could build Claude Code, set up the APIs, set up your digital clone, and then set up a content machine that writes in your brand voice. And then it creates and publishes content every single day so that you don't have to get on camera. You don't have to worry about what content to create. You don't have to fumble with memory cards and editing and any of that. All gone. All using your AI avatar to create content consistently, because the businesses that have AI avatars are going to produce 10 times more content than the people that don't. And all traffic is a content, or all business is a traffic game. You're just trying to drive as much traffic as possible. This looks pretty good. I think this email is good. Let's see here. Do I need to change the subject line? Let's see. You're invited. A 5-week starts January. Okay, yeah. Right here. Change the subject line. You're invited. Oh, wait. I want this. Starts Jan 6. Starts January 6. And then AI calendar of events. I think we could prove that. AI events calendar. AI calendar of events. Nah, that's the best way you can say it. Quick question: how much? Da, 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 da. I'm not talking. Da, 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 da. That changes. Da, 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 da. Here's what you get. Da, 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 da. Last QA before I ship this to 2,000 people. You always want to double check. There's always going to be a typo kind of thing or like error. It's like it's so annoying. It's inevitable. It's human error. We would be to be perfect is not to be human. To be flawed is to be human. That is the beauty of humanity. Is our beauty is in our flaws, is in making mistakes. Perfection, that's for the robots. That's not for us. We hate perfection. What do you walk away with? February 7th, you got a AI research AI. Research here. AI personal. AI working AI personal assistant agent. AI agent is your personal assistant. Yo, we're gonna get close we're basically in Jarvis land. You know Jarvis from Iron Man? We're basically there. We can build Jarvis. You can build a custom Jarvis without writing a single line of code. That's why I love so much more. No writing code. You can basically vibe code Jarvis that can automate your email, answer your CRM, manage your response, like anything that you want. Jarvis is so gangster. Some of the members have already started vibe coding their own Jarvis already. It's interesting to see everyone's projects. Okay, I like this. This looks good. And the only call to action is the button. I'll make it nice and large. Okay, this looks good. I concur, and we're going to send this right now to all my leads. Yep. 2,000 leads, not bad. And yeah, go ahead and send now. You're invited 5-week AI intensive. Good site. Thanks for sharing. Nice. Very, very nice. And then we are done. So that's now broadcast. So broadcast email is done. So that's email marketing. That did the website. The website looks great. And then now, might as well just go all the way. While we've been doing that, GenSpark's been working behind the scenes. Like, I like to put my AI agents to full-time work. And so he's been creating a VSL here. He created a presentation while we were talking. What if you could automate 50% of your business in just 5 weeks? That's a very bold claim. But I could automate. Wait, how do we? Where's the? There we go. What if you could automate 50% of your business in just 5 weeks? Doing things manually versus, that doesn't make sense. Hello, I'm blah, 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 blah. The AI Accelerator, 5 weeks, 5 tools, 1 complete system. Here's our 5-week program and our curriculum. I'll make some changes to it. Before, you're working 70 hours a week. After, you have a business that runs itself. Nice. Premium checklist, 30-day. There's pretty good. Creator says, I'm receiving the emails. I just got the email. Nice. That's the link to join. Email marketing. So low key, actually very important too. We will be going over email marketing inside the digital marketing course on the week 5 of this program. Actually, that's week 5 of this program. It's the last week, because the most important thing you could do in 2026 to make more money. Do I have your attention? To make more money in 2026. You're going to build an email list. That is your sole goal. Your sole goal. Content, build the email list. Money and sales will come after. but that's your first two focus. And Dr. Sarah, welcome, Dr. Sarah. Pleasure to meet you, a lifestyle and strategist. What are we using to build this, Claude? Yes, we are using the almighty Claude Code. We actually just finished building a website, so you could watch this. So for everyone that's just popping in, we've spent the last hour just vibe coding. Oh, I don't mean this, but this is the full website that we just built using Claude Code. You can build a website that looks as beautiful as this with all the cool images using Claude Code. Nice. And then you could host the website and total 3 websites and unlimited landing pages for only $3 a month. That's all. We're going to show you how to do all that. So this is the program, but more is what we're doing right now is we're building a presentation and for a video sales letter for the landing page that you have, so that people come to the landing page and are like, what's going on here? And we're using GenSpark to basically, there's some changes I want to make. I'm going to do this as a V1, and then he gives me the script, and I can read the script right after this. This is going to be so dope. Some people, you guys complicate VSLs too much, but your business does need a VSL. So right now, I'm just going to create a new presentation, and I'm just going to one by one copy these over into Canva. Oh man, this is a great episode. If you're just new and just discovering me for the first time, all of my live streams are backed up on my YouTube channel, so you can rewatch any of them from there if you ever want to rewatch, because I'd be cooking. I'm going to redo this problem slide. So I'm just going to put it right here, and I'm going to say, I want you to redo the slide 2 with the problem. Just create 2 more images with that so that I could test. Okay, so we're going to redo that. Claude is a cutie. Oh, Claude is a workhorse. Claude, I have chained to a table and doing work right now. It's like, oh, we have so much work. He's been building websites and all sorts. That's a nice one. I could do without the gold kind of thing. Redo. I want you to redo slide 3, but I don't want like the gold frame. That looks very tacky. Redo slide 3, and then let me give you my headshot. Use my headshot. Use my headshot. Okay, so that's in there. So we'll redo. This one's going to be a redo. So we'll just leave it like that. And then, bear with me. I'm just okay, here's that. AI Accelerator program. Nice. Okay. Here's all the cool things that we're going to do. I like mine that I have for that. So let me grab, I will answer the question. Let's see. Interesting. Hosting it with already purchased URL. Yes, you could already purchase a URL and then host your vibe coded app on your custom domain. Super cheap. Only costs $3 a month. B says, I might also need a time management program. Funny you say that, because the 2 courses mandatory. Before I teach you AI, mandatory. I'm going to teach you how to use a Mac. I'm going to teach you how to use a digital notebook using Notion, and I'm going to teach you how to do task management using TickTick. Those 3 things alone, before I teach you how to anything AI, that will 10x how you touch your computer already. Work more efficiently, less stress and anxiety, allows you to manage mountains of work effortlessly, and allows you to get more work done in a day than most do in a week with 0 stress and anxiety. So that's why I teach a time management course and a knowledge management course inside of the community. We have 23 courses, and actually the cool thing is I put all the courses in a structured order, so you come in level 1 and you go from the ground and you can see a clear path. Dream Life Coach says, okay, I signed up and booked my call for Friday. Dope. Let me check this. I usually get like notifications too. We've been jamming. There's a notification. I see it. Congratulations. I look forward to meeting you, Dream Life Coach, and definitely budget extra time after. What is that? That's on Friday. Oh yeah. Definitely budget at least like 45 minutes after, and we're going to go deep. You don't need to prepare anything, just show up basically. And then let's see, create digital products. And I also need to move my website and landing pages from Kajabi. Oh, get away from Kajabi. Kajabi is death. Oh my gosh. I want to learn this for my business, for my biz, and add this to my coaching program. Oh, solid. Yeah. We'll get you off Kajabi. Honestly, like Circle and School are like the quick and fastest, easiest for like community. Alfredo, it's almost Happy New Year. Oh my gosh. Like this year is going by so fast. Oh my. Brian says, are the courses free? No, these are the courses just inside the community. If you want any courses, I have 1,600 free videos on my YouTube channel. There's a ton of free stuff there. Plus my live streams are like where you see the most up-to-date workflows kind of thing. Alfredo's like, Happy New Year. I know. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. As we pause, let's take a moment and say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I'm grateful that you're watching my live stream. I want to wish you nothing but lots of joy, abundance, and blessings in 2026. What 2026, number one thing I want you to focus on is community. 2026 is going to get rocky. Who you surround yourself with and the community that you lean on will dictate how successful you be and how stressed you are. So I highly recommend join one or many communities, connect with people in the new year, join a lot of the private communities. Social media is where you'll find and discover people, but please join their community, not just mine, but other communities. I'm in a ton of other communities. That's where things are getting that's where you'll get the support. There won't be bots. There's no algorithm, and it's real human beings helping other human beings. I know. That's what I foresee in 2026. I'm super optimistic for next year. Alfredo's like, you're getting fancy with your images. Oh boy. Nano Banana. Nano Banana Pro. Wherever you get it, it is amazing. Dream Life Coach says, yep, Kajabi ends in February. Beautiful. I'll show you exactly how to migrate and actually lower your costs too, and actually set up some really dope automations. It's going to improve the client experience for your members so that you get more free time. You're not working or doing a lot of manual work. We'll set up a lot of automations. Already in School since November. There's nothing wrong with School. School's great. It's simple, connects, it just works. You're going to host your videos on YouTube anyways, or like Vimeo if you want to get fancy. Simple. That's all you need. Brian says, I've been vibe coding from OpenAI and then deploying them on GHL. Nice. I like that. Yeah, so you could vibe code websites and then take the code and you could paste it in Go High Level, in WordPress, in Wix, Squarespace, GoDaddy, Lead Pages, Bounce, any one of those. That's the real bread. So actually, Alfredo and Brian, since you guys are both GHL, Go High Level, that's what the real fun is with Claude. Have Claude build a single HTML page with whatever you want for your website, and then just copy the HTML code and paste it in GHL. Your clients will be so impressed. That's like, because I'm done with like website building tools. I'm done with like automation tools like Zapier, Make.com, and NAN. I'll only use them if I like super need them. But like now with everything being vibe coding is the way, because you don't have to be a software developer and everything is code and you can automate anything with code, which is nice. Especially as AI drowns the social media. Oh, it's so true. Yeah, we're going to see more AI content. I'm pumping out more AI content, like AI avatar content. Everyone is. But I more foresee that what it's going to show is that those who still show up authentically, like on themselves, like live and just be themselves, that's what's going to build the trust in a world where trust is going to be one of the biggest, most valuable things. I feel people will be moving towards community. Yeah, you're already seeing with the social media platforms, like honestly, they're not. Just today alone on TikTok, or the last 2 days, has been nothing but old content. It's so frustrating. And you're like, I've seen this content before. This is not any, I'm like, ugh. You can't reset the algorithm. You can't. So more people are going to get more disconnected on social media, and we need to connect offline in our own private school communities, circle community, wherever, offline community. I mean, a community can be as simple as a WhatsApp group, honestly. There's some simple WhatsApp groups that are very large and very successful. But that's the main thing in 2026. I'm more encouraged, not just AI. I more encourage you to network in 2026. Go touch grass. I'm just kidding. Well, I was thinking about going to GHL. Dude, go GHL. There's nothing wrong with GHL. Nothing wrong with GHL. It has everything you need in it as far as like a CRM. I don't like their email marketing tool. It's like, that's a whole thing to like warm up and stuff like that. But automation, email marketing, forms, checkout links, your websites are just going to be vibe coded. That's all. That's the only difference. But you get the full functionality of GHL. I would actually recommend, I know a lot of people begin the year, but I'd actually recommend get GHL, especially for high ticket or for your sales funnel, because it does a lot of really dope stuff. And Alfredo, who's in the chat, can hook you up and set up AI chat agents. I'm not talking the GHL, like standard one out of the box, but like actual closed bot, like really powerful automations, or AI chatbots, basically. That's there. Nice. Well, thank you for booking the 101. I look forward to working with you, Dream Life Coach. If anyone else wants to, I'll put the link in there. So if you want to book a 101 with me, I should really just make that more easier on the website. So if you guys want, no pressure. You can book it anytime. There's no like, I just want to give you guys all the secrets so that you guys can crush it in 2025. Okay, so we're making a quick little presentation here. I was going to use my slide deck for this. And here we were going to get it from here. Website, images. I want the program mockup. No, I want is it the AI Mastery program? This is it. Yeah, this one looks real fancy. Super fancy. Oh, you guys, sorry, you can't see. I'm just copying these over one by one. So copy image. I'm just building a quick little presentation slide deck so I could create a video sales letter to put that on the new landing page that we just beautifully created, because if you have a video sales letter, it will actually increase the conversions on your checkout pages, thus more sales for your amazing business so that you could serve amazing people. Okay. And this took no effort to create. Do you reckon as coding agents get better, non-coders can make full production apps? That's a great question. That is the elephant in the room question. Will vibe coding make you a software developer? Short answer, no. It won't make you a software developer. But most people aren't going into software development. They want all the benefits of it, which is the great thing. But the downside is so there's so much that goes into security, like authentication, best practice. There's so much that goes into being a software developer. That's why it takes like 5 years to like become one. Dream Life says, yep, sales funnel with booking calls for high ticket. Oh yeah, you're perfect. Yeah, stay in GHL. Vibe code your websites using Claude Code. He's going to improve the copyright and the experience. Honestly, the funnel of what I'm building is similar. You're going to use Nano Banana and GenSpark for creating a beautiful VSL. And then from the video sales letter, you can make that evergreen. That way that sells your high ticket program. And then you could run ads. The next thing we'll look at is ads from there. Because then it's like, once you have the funnel, then it's just pouring traffic just to make the conversions. And then once you're happy with the conversions, optimize them, see how the website, the lead magnet is converting, the booking appointments, the sales qualification questions, the application, just make sure all those are connected. High ticket sales, like the thing, I'd recommend it. Let's see. If anyone can now make apps, is the bottleneck now marketing attention? A+ on questions. Sage, A+ on questions. So that's another one big thing, is you can, so just not even a vibe coded app aside, say you make a product or you want to sell a service, just in general, you're just starting from 0 to 1. marketing is the number one skill you're going to have to learn. And you can have the best product or service, but in marketing, whoever can acquire a new customer profitably will always win more competition. And so it's not a product or service or an app that you vibe code. You could vibe code like the best app, for example. Everything comes down to marketing. Everyone under $10,000 a month has a traffic problem. Your problem is you don't have enough traffic that's going to your sales page for 2% to say yes and convert. It's a numbers game. And so where do you get the traffic? The traffic comes from organic content. And when I say content, I'm talking publishing 3 to 6 times a day, short form content, and then long form content like three. Well, if you get real dedicated into it, you're publishing 1 short form YouTube video a day, all for traffic, organic traffic. Then you're spending minimally $600 a month on ads for your paid ad traffic source. So now you got paid ads, you got content, and then you just slowly just add other social media channels. You got TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and now you're just driving as much traffic as you can to that landing page, that checkout page, whatever. Those are all. So that's one of the biggest things. It's like coding and building apps. The skill it takes to develop a product is just getting lower and lower and lower. But one of the biggest challenges is marketing, is just how do you get attention to a checkout page for them to say, yes, I want to buy from you today, for example. Think of as a great buyer's journey, Dream Life Coach just popped in a live stream. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think Dream Life Coach you've been following much, you're brand new. So you're brand new, came in, watched the live stream, vibed, learned some new things, and then just gave you the one-on-one, and then you just booked. So a lot of it is you showing up consistently every single day just to be available online, and you have to be online on the social media channels. I'm cheating in some way because I'm live streaming, and live streaming is the most intimidating thing for people, which I don't understand. If I were to say on the other side of all your money problems and your income problems and your business problems, if I were to say the solution to that is just live streaming and putting up more content, most people won't do it because of public speaking, and it's what do I say, what do I do, and oh my God, do they like me? And then just show up, serve, answer questions, have some cool demos, some cool magic tricks. But that's what, in a world where everything is AI, where everything is an ad, where everything is trying to get your money, it's very few and far between to find people to get your questions answered, show cool demos. Here's all the secrets. I haven't gatekeeped anything while I'm showing the whole process of how I'm vibe coding and using AI. This is what people would charge in their $1,000 courses on AI. This stuff is more cutting edge the way I'm doing it. But I appreciate the follows. At the end of the day, I want you guys to have a great experience with AI. Use AI for good. It has so much benefits. It will benefit your life, benefit your business. You'll save more time, solve problems effortlessly. The amount of problems that I'm oh, that's a GenSpark question. Oh, I'll just give it. Nothing is an issue anymore. I can literally, I'd be today I was fixing the audio for the mic. I was I have no audio skills. How do I fix the audio for the mic? And then I was took pictures of everything, gave it to ChatGPT, and I said, help me fix the audio problem, work through the steps. And now we have much better audio on the live streams. So I have AI tools are so beneficial. And I showed just the 4 wise men. ChatGPT, which I haven't showed much of because I'm trying to get off ChatGPT. I want one less subscription, and you could replace ChatGPT with other better tools. GenSpark, which is the number one tool, has been the GOAT all year. Then you have Gemini, which is great. Google Suite products, Google AI Studio, great products from Gemini. And most of those are actually free to build apps, free to create images, free to talk with the smartest model, Gemini. They have a ton, love them or hate them, Google, but at the end of the day, all AI is data harvesting. Not to glamorize anything about AI. That's the reality of it. But the other side is Claude Code. That's the last 4 wise men. That's it. That's all I'm showing you. Just if you've mastered those 4 tools, at least this year, you're going to be, whenever you have to do work, I don't have to write documents anymore. I'll give it to GenSpark. GenSpark will now write all my Google documents. I don't create presentations anymore. GenSpark with Nano Banana will create all of my. There is no way I could do this in Gamma. Like this Nano Banana 3 literally crushed Gamma. At like literally the whole software just irrelevant because Nano Banana Pro is so good. Like to do these images like would have took like, come on, brand colors with the logo and all of that. That took no effort. I would have to hire a graphic designer. So what does this mean? This means that specialty and expertise is no longer a competitive advantage because of the speed that AI evolves. AI is evolving to increase productivity across all domains. So I don't need a web developer. I don't need a graphic designer. I don't need a personal assistant or a college intern to come and help me put all this together. I'm leveraging these tools to buy back my time at the end of the day. That's really what AI is about. It's just about buying back your time, saving you time that what would take hours now takes seconds and minutes with zero effort. AMS is like, I know I got GenSpark credit from you. I love it. But yeah, if you guys are in the community, I could give like I would give it on here, but like TikTok does not like affiliate codes. But just jump in. If you can't afford GenSpark, it's $25 a month. I still want you to have a great experience with AI. Use GLM 4.5, this link right here. Let me go, hold on, chat Z 4.7. The names are funky. If you can't afford GenSpark, I still want you to have a very powerful multi-agent tool that's way more powerful than like ChatGPT. Hold on, there we go. These are the Chinese models. And the reality is that the Chinese models crush the US models. Like literally both cost, speed, and performance. All the Chinese models, image, text, they have the gold flag in all of the categories already. Whenever the US like drops a new model like ChatGPT and Gemini's like 3, Chinese models go, that's cute. Here's a model that's a fraction of the price that does like everything that your does. So this is like a free GenSpark knockoff. It's Chinese, but at the same time, their models are so good. Bye, Dream Life. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful new year. I'll see you in the new year. So happy new year. Nice. I love meeting new members and entrepreneurs to level up with AI. Like give you guys all the secrets and superpowers. Like, yo. So that's Chat Z. That's a very powerful. It's like GenSpark, but very powerful for free. So what we were doing, where we last left off, is I'm just finishing adding the slides for this video sales letter that I'm just gonna raw record right now in real time, because I feel more just kind of showing you guys the whole workflow, so you guys can see like start to finish what does it take to, because I'm gonna be working on this stuff anyways. Okay, so I think that's it. And then we asked GenSpark for some new images, which we're going to replace this one, which actually I like that one. Working 70 hours, but still behind. You're the bottleneck. Ooh, yes. Let's take that one. That's way better. So I'm going to replace that, and that's going to replace it. On the other side, it's a Canva presentation. I'll show that in a moment. I'm just copying and pasting them into Canva. Chris says, would you recommend getting certifications? I have an AI consultant certification course. It's 3 months. Here's the thing with certifications. The thing with AI tools, AI is so new and so like there's not really like a AI certification that's going to land you a job. Like honestly, no one cares about certifications. And then on top of that, people more importantly need to see your portfolio shown publicly on a social media channel, not your website, your social media channel is more valuable than a piece of paper certification. Now, I have a certification format because I want people to know that they have been taught by me. So I do have a certification program for my consultants, but my consultants, when you go speak to one of them that has been trained by me, it's like meeting another Jedi. They're like, oh, you know what you're talking about and you can build. So that's why I make my consultants so dangerous, that they know what they're talking about. They know actually how to build. Everything you've seen me do, they know. So that's where it's like, certifications on one side, not really worth anything, but on the other side, it's more of your commitment to education and training is what's more important. I'd rather you spend an hour a day in a certification program, in a class, or just on your own time. Spend an hour a day practicing with AI. That's all. One tool for 3 weeks. That's the rule. One tool for 3 weeks. Don't chase any new shiny objects. Don't try any new tool. One tool, 3 weeks, 1 hour a day. That's how you stay up to date with AI. That's how after 1 year, my AI certification course is still the best course that you could get on AI to get certified, to actually go from AI beginner with ChatGPT to AI software developer. And you could walk in and automate any function of a business. Like that in 3 months is very spectacular. So it comes from practicing, and I want you guys to continue to, that's why I'm live streaming, to kind of show I'm just building and practicing. And every time I kind of push it a little bit more and push it a little farther. So it's like short answer to say that. So it's more just like any certification in general, even college universities, like universities teaching AI, worthless. Like anything you're learning from universities, worthless. Will not help you make money in the real world. Not by a long shot. Like even now, if you look at federal jobs are actually, I think they did a 40% reduction in the requirement for or 40% reduction in a diploma requirement. They no longer require degrees to get a federal job. Used to make sense, but now useless. So what's more important is find people that you like online, learn from them. Me, there's Sabrina Romanoff. If you haven't followed her, she makes amazing content. Like follow her YouTube channel. Like, so there's a lot of great YouTubers. I don't like to call myself a YouTuber. I just make YouTube content. But there's a lot of people that make a lot of great like free AI education and training, and I learned from YouTube just like you guys. And then the only difference is I also so the practice an hour a day, and then YouTube, and then ChatGPT in the middle. You could be pretty savvy and figure out a lot of stuff. Some people just aren't like, I want to say resourceful, but some people like to learn better from a teacher or learn better from an instructor or private coach. So it's more like everyone has a different learning style, you want to think of it like. So good questions. I like this slide. Okay, and then I had him, I think he made oh yeah, this is the new slide. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to replace this. This is the last slide. Very nice. Oh my gosh. So, okay, and then I think I got all the slides. Nice. Let me show you the slides now. Okay, cool. So hanging out in Canva. Oh, so nice. So nice. So working 7 hours behind, but you're still behind. I'm kind of just making sure everything is like looking formatting wise, like nothing's like shrunk a little. We're going to record this right now. Like I'm showing you guys the whole process. I told you guys I'm not holding back. This will be a video sales letter that will be on the sales page for the AI community. Basically, adding a video sales letter as a marketing strategy will increase the percentage of people that will click through to purchase or buy said project. Do I just sign up to learn from you from your bio? Yes, that sends you to the community. From the community, once you join, you get a one-on-one 1 hour session to book with me, where I'll get to give you a private roadmap and show you where to grow from there. That's the easiest. And then we have courses that you can start binging immediately. And then you can also, you get tech support. We have the live classes Tuesday through Friday. Fridays are fun office hour sessions. Tom's like, that's me. Which one's you? I'm like, Tom, I'm back. We've been live streaming all day. I have a hypothesis, Tom. Here's my hypothesis. Live streams are going to be very important for the next few weeks, is my hypothesis. My hypothesis. That would be more beneficial to build your said email list. Because I know you're building your email list. So I would live stream, talk about mergers and acquisitions, and then funnel everyone to your link in the bio, which is your email newsletter, which then funnels to your community after a 30-day email sequence. Crush it, Tom. I still think of your 10-year goal of what you want. I am chasing your goal too. Like you and me, like let's crush that. I love your goal. Like it's game over. Like I am like hungry. Like let's. You're like. Like annual income goal, checkmate in 3 steps, in 4 steps, thanks to DeepSeek back. Man, we were using DeepSeek back in the day. That's so funny. So I think this gets everything. 140 AI powered business, save, got the call to action, got that. Okay, cool. This is good enough. I don't need it to be perfect. So now you're probably thinking, John, what are you gonna think about for the script? I don't have to think. GenSpark actually wrote the script already, so I'm just going to read the script. I'm literally going to read the script word for word too. That way you don't have to think. Excuse me. Okay, that's the website. It's just a 3-minute, it's like a 2-minute script anyways. It's very short. Oh, we put the voice over there. Here's the complete VSL with slides. Okay. Okay, so let me put this on this side over here, just so I could read the script. And then, okay, this is going to be interesting because I have 3 things competing for my webcam. Ignore everything you're going to listen to in the next 5 minutes. You're going to watch me do the process of recording a video sales letter in 1 take. I'm going to make lots of mistakes along the way. That's perfectly okay because I'm going to have my AI video editor, which I'll show you right after, clean up all of it. I just have to get 1 good take. And so right now I'm just going to record this video sales letter for the sales page for the community, which you guys. So, okay. So ignore the next like 5 minutes. Great. Okay, no pressure. John, are now we're gonna rehearse? Nah. Once you start doing these, you just do them. Okay, I'm trying to get the scripts up. Okay, there's the script. Okay. And then I think we're good. Let me go to, let's call this community VSL December, something like that. Present and record. Sure, allow. Allow test, toast. Test 1 2 1 2 test 1 2 1 2 test toast test. Slide 2 looking good. Oh, that one needs to be fixed. Looking good. Okay, cool. Test toast. So that was just an audio test. Whenever you record content, you do 1 burner, where basically that one was just to burn the audio, just to see like, does it sound okay? Is the workflow wrong? Does the camera break 5 minutes in or something like that? Whatever act of God that can stop me from creating this video right now, pretty much. So that is pretty much just a mic test right now. So now we're gonna download and check it out to make sure everything looks clean. I did see some changes. I needed to fix this guy right here, and then I think everything else looked good. Yeah, everything else looked good. Okay. Okay, so now it's downloading. Where's my video? Oh, it's still downloading. It's processing. Okay, now it's downloaded. Take a look at it. See how it is.
Test 1 2 1 2 test 1 2 1 2 test toast test. Looking good. Oh, that one needs to be fixed. Looking good. Okay, cool. Test toast.
I approve. That looks good. Okay, so now we're ready to record the real thing. So that was just a test just to make sure audio, video, everything works good before we actually burn the actual great one. Okay, so ignore the next 5 minutes. I'm going to record this presentation real quick and easy. And you're going to see me make lots of mistakes. Present and record. Excellent. Nope, I want to actually present and record. Go to recording studio. Okay, that looks good. I gotta pump up the ISO. Hold on. What if I just turn on the light? Or I just increase the light. That's not bad. I like white. I like brighter. I had the lights off this whole time. There we go. Not that bad. Color balance is okay. That looks good. Thank God I took a haircut today. Nice. Start recording. Quiet on set. You guys are funny. What if you could automate 50% of your business in just 5 weeks? Most entrepreneurs are drowning. You see, most entrepreneurs are drowning. Email, content, marketing, customer service. You're the bottleneck in your business doing everything manually. Now, most entrepreneurs are drowning in content, email, customer service, doing everything manually in your business. You're the bottleneck. Most entrepreneurs are drowning in manual work, content, email, customer service, and more, doing everything manually. No. Most entrepreneurs are drowning in manual work, email, content, customer service. You're the bottleneck in your business, and you need AI to relieve you. No. Automate. Most entrepreneurs are doing everything manually in their business, working 70 hours a week, doing content, email, customer service. It feels like you are the bottleneck in your business. I'm Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. I'm Jonathan, Dr. AI. I'm Jonathan, Dr. AI. I've spent the last 25 years helping million-dollar companies automate their operations. I've also coached over 700 entrepreneurs to save them 20 hours a week in their business. And now I'm teaching entrepreneurs like you leverage AI to get ahead. No. And now I'm teaching entrepreneurs like you to leverage AI to buy back your time. So to help you buy back your time, So to help you buy back your time and leverage the best of AI, I've created the AI Mastery Accelerator. It's 5 weeks, 5 tools, and one complete automated business system. Week one, we have you leveraging AI agents to do all of your office work. Week 2, you're vibe coding with Claude, building custom applications, websites, and tools. Week 3, you're mastering all of the best AI tools offered by Google for vibe coding for build. No. Week 3, you're mastering Google's AI suite of no. Week 3, you're mastering Week 3, you're mastering Google's suite of powerful AI tools. Week 4, you're vibe coding a custom application to automate your content with a digital twin. Week 4, you're automating your content, vibe coding with digital avatars, creating content so you don't have to get on camera. And week 5, we show you how to monetize AI by building marketing funnels and creating digital products so you don't have to sell your time. And week 4, we're going to show you how to build complete marketing funnels and digital products so you're not only selling your time, but you're making money in your sleep. Week 4, we show you how to build marketing funnels to sell digital products so that you can make money. Week 5, we show you how to monetize AI by showing you how to create digital products. Week 5, we show you how to create marketing funnels that sell digital products so you don't have to sell your time. Nice. So imagine your business running on autopilot. Content created automatically, marketing handled by AI, and you focus on growth, not operations. Here's what's included when you join the community. You get live weekly training 3 times a week, 23 AI courses on the best tools, a private AI community access, private community access, weekly coaching, office hours, and every tool and template you could ever need for business. And every AI tool and template ready to go, plug and play into your business. Join 140 entrepreneurs that have already been using AI in their business over the last year. They're saving 15 plus hours a week and growing their revenue while working less. So join Dr. AI Academy for just $97 a month. Starting January 6th, we will start our 5-week AI Accelerator program. No, actually, yeah. Oh, shoot. That's fine. It's really a 30-day money-back guarantee. Whatever. I guarantee that you'll build your first automation I guarantee that you'll build your first automation in 30 days or your money back. No risk, all reward. So stop wasting time learning. So stop wasting time. So stop wasting time trying to learn AI from YouTube. So stop wasting time trying to learn AI from random YouTube videos. Start building with a real community. I'm Jonathan Acuna. No. Start building real-world projects with a community. Start building real-world... that's a tongue twister. Start building real business automations. Start building real business automations you can use in your business today. I'll see you inside. Good enough. How's the comments? I leave for 5 minutes and the comments go haywire. Nice. That was just a quick VSL. I mean, there's other stuff to like this. Tom's going to get him invited to our community. Which one? Tarek Ed Musa is looking at AI. I have the link, or do you need an affiliate link, Tom? Is that what you're asking? Cool. Okay, so now this is finishing for everyone that's watching. Nice. Okay, we are almost done. Very happy everything's working out. Oh, because once we finish this, we'll do Gling, Gling. And then once I edit Gling, I have a Claude Code course. Basically, I gotta edit tonight as well too. So we'll edit and publish all of those, get those published, and then that's gonna be it for a Monday. Not bad. We definitely got a lot done. Talk about a lot done. Video sales letter, new community, new 6-week program, presentations, images. Are you okay? You are live, bro. Yes. We're just kind of waiting time for the video to finish rendering, which is nice. But we got a lot done today, which is nice. Very productive. Oh, and he's taking forever. Vibe coding. Vibe coding is so. Claude does all the work. It's like watching paint dry. But this is nice because then it's like quick, fast, and easy for a video. You don't have to set up like OBS, any of that. Just quick and simple. Now we're just waiting for this to load. How you guys doing? This is better than doom scrolling. A lot of horrible stuff as soon as you swipe. A lot of doom scrolling to do. Oh my gosh. This is just helping me from not doom scroll right now. This makes me feel productive because then I don't have to. But doing good. I know it's almost there. It's almost there. I want to at least get to editing this and get this uploaded. And then I can edit the other Claude Code course right now after this. So we're almost done. My, oh my. I think this is just going to wait just forever. I think it's just going to take forever too. Dare we wait? We actually knocked that out pretty quick, which is actually really good. We did the email marketing. That's good. Oh, I should probably put a newsletter on the email list kind of thing. Oh, I'll do that later. Actually, we could actually vibe code that right now. I want you to do the free masterclass. You know how we have the banner? Okay, hold on. Let's see if we could get VS Code. Well, I'll make that later. Oh, he's done. Nice. Download. Then we get Gling. Nice. So now, okay, almost done downloading. Almost done. Actually, wow, booked a new client. Those are fun. So now we're just kind of waiting for this video to finish downloading. And once it's done downloading, we'll run it through my AI video editor. And then he'll clean up all the mistakes, all the ums, the uhs, the dead space. And then we'll upload it to Astia, put it on the website, give it, we got to vibe code the thing anyways might as well give it to Claude Code anyways for a lead magnet. That's one of the biggest things. So waiting for him. It's just waiting to download. Oof. There we go. Almost done. Nice. Done. Edit. Yes. Yes. Cool. Now it's editing. Now it is editing the video. Oh, I'm editing. This is it. No more CapCut. No more DaVinci. No more Adobe Premiere. Was it Adobe Premiere? It's been so long since oh my gosh, since I used Adobe products. Shoot myself. Hate Adobe products. So now we're just kind of, I know, it's like watching paint dry. But we got a lot of good stuff done. Vibe coding. Just waiting for it to finish. I think we might as well end it there. Yeah, because this is going to be boring. Watching someone video edit is pretty boring. But I'm going to get this done, and then I'm going to do the Claude Code course right after this. So if you're in the community, you guys will get that tonight for the Claude Code course. And then, yeah, pretty good. I think we'll pause it there. That was a good live stream. Jesus, 2 hours, 40 minutes. We got so much done. Highly recommend watching the replay, especially on YouTube. You'll see the replay for a lot of this. Very nice. Cool. And then quick plug, highly recommend go to the website, simpletechskills.com. Sign up for the AI community where we are doing the 5-week AI Mastery Accelerator, where you will go from complete beginner to AI vibe coding and AI agent building, all the fun stuff that you want to build with GenSpark, Claude Code, Google Gemini, the best of the best AI tools, all the way with the pinnacle capstone project of actually automating your content and then going into digital products, how to market and sell a digital product so you can make money online and not sell your time. Plus, you get 23 courses. There's a ton. And then we have weekly live sessions, which tomorrow we're going to be back on. It's going to be a short week anyways. It's the holidays, but we're going to be back on. And then class starts tomorrow. Well, not for this program, but tomorrow we just have a class. So